Introducing ADRIEN, the problem Broner. Ortiz, he was vastly outworked. And for you, Sergio, there's always somebody probably better than you. Oh, that was a left hand. Caught him on top of the head. I think that's decent shots every round. But we haven't seen him perform in this manner. Straight left hand for Cobbs. Then a straight right, and then a left again. He should start aiming more for the body of Solomon because Solomon's pulling back. And that's pulling the punchline. That may be a knockdown. Let's see. No, a slip. And then he's not taking it. That is a knockdown. And then it winged it up.
Lands it low. Left off Litzau. Broner missing with some wild shots. Off Litzau's attention.
No pressure to hurt him.
Mouthpiece shot. Good uppercut. Litzau's down. And it's over in round one. ADRIEN Broner.
So much bigger than Cobbs, doesn't he? Like nervous energy right now moving around. Oh, nice shot by Cobbs. And he caught it again. And then buckled the knees. And down goes Molina. He timed up perfect.
He stepped right in front of us as he made it.
Oh, that's straight. That man being able to fight this guy. Forget boxing. Go toe to toe. Cobbs is more than. And there it is right there. Cobbs is looking for a loop. Oh, and down for a third time.
Right to the chin of Rodriguez, who's never been stopped. And he's hurt.
Body shots there, but the
Rodriguez. Now can Broner finish him? Little wild right now. Shots a right hand. Good left hand to the body. Takes a right to the body. Left hand. Touchdown Rodriguez. He's going to have to show some skill. Yeah, he got it. It's all Cobbs. Nice combination.
hand by Cobbs, 20 seconds. And another good combo. Oh, wow! Cobbs, one after another. And now Villalobos in big time trouble. Will he go down?
Yeah, Cobbs has got to be need to win both rounds.
Oh, great combination there by Blair Cobbs. And
Head
now
snapping shots.
letting the hands go. Oh! And for the kill. And, oh,
uppercut!
big
Wow!
uppercut. Oh, wow! And this one is over just like that.
Oh my goodness. Ponce de Leon seems very relaxed in there here in round one. What you don't like is the taller part of back. Had a better effect. Perez hurt on a right to the ear. Good straight right hand and down goes Perez. And he's not going to make it. Shots like that will. There's a perfect counter right, and it moves Escobedo away from an exchange.
The hand speed and precision. Escobedo is trying to.
Escobedo did have a good left body shot to weaken, and it just takes him away in the blood that comes out of his nose and his mouth. And walking him down means eventually hitting him into the corner or along the rope. And that brutal body shots. The right hand over the top. Escobedo trying to angle. Broner trying to stop the rope. And Joel Diaz is holding up the BLAIR, the flare com. It's when you get tested we can find out who they are. Well, coming out of the gate here has been, so he does have a track. You want to throw in a fight where they're going to look really, really good, and they start to psychologically gain a little bit of. He's been super aggressive, a bit wild as Cobbs. Blood all over his face now, all red. Now the body shots, throwing back on the ropes. He's all off balance, and Blair Cobbs just pushing back Valdez. A lot of heart from the Mexican Valdez, but Blair Cobbs is trying to finish it here in the second. Game 8, he's starting to look in, and he wins it off. staying outside, he's going to run into big problems with that straight right hand.
And now Broner's starting to land some clean shots.
Good right hand by Broner.
Body shot for Broner. Uppercut lands for Broner. Starting to get more accurate. Starting to pick Reese off. Reese trying to get to those body shots again and slow Broner down a little bit. But Broner is getting into the target practice area.
It doesn't get better than this as far as an effort. He's showing that Broner can be hit.
Uppercut. Now Reese is in trouble again. And Gary Lockett is up on the ring apron.
Jazz is slowing down the pace. That's what I would want from Cobbs. Left hand is blocked by Cobbs. Ortiz comes back and put Cobbs down. His glove touched the canvas. That's a feeling that kind of power. Did it slow Blair Cobbs down a little bit, but here you see it right back to the body. That is a beautiful combination. Until he threw a beautiful multi-punch combination there in round 5 in the middle of that round. Oh, and down goes Ortiz. Wow, one shot. Cobbs. Yeah, but Ortiz is not a sitting duck. He is able to fire back and fire back. Clearly so. Well, he said he can't box and this fight's over.
The band camp colors
Start over. When they start over, Broner has to
body shots to one. And you know, people haven't missed.
Broner just landed a couple.
He's got to be careful. He's not the puncher. He thinks he is. Body work by Molina. With them saying, hey, I'm trying to play this form, but Molina again, very tough. There's left hand downstairs by Broner, so very busy on the outside.
You see what I'm saying? Molina just lays in there. Even when he's not punching, he lays.
I asked the question, and I think one of the bigger stories in this fight is that Adrien Broner, champion Adrien Broner, goes the distance with Carlos Molina as they chuck leather at the bell. Taylor, there's a left hook by Adrien Broner. He's much more effective. There's a left hook to the body by Broner. I think he just threw up. And Broner too. Oh. Good work by Adrien Broner. And the crowd here loving every second of it. 45 seconds left. 20 seconds left. Broner.
BLAIR!
Adrien the Problem Broner.